hydrides. Well, hydrides, it says here metallic, sorry, it's metallic elements and an hydrogen. Okay, metal and hydrogen. Okay, this is a picture of a structure made by hydrogens and one chemical element. So we have a network of hydrates. Good examples of that. We have sodium and an hydrogen. We call it sodium hydrate. Okay, we have sodium in one side and then hydrogen in the right side. Okay, because both of them have the same chemical oxidation number. One and one, we don't write it. So in this case, because we don't use the prefix, this is not used in this systematic nomenclature. Okay, good. How we call it in stock? We call it sodium hydrate, exactly the same as in systematic. We don't use any Roman number because lithium, in this case sodium, hydrogen have the same oxidation number. If you remember the first column in your left of side of the chemical chart, periodic table, we have hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium, hidrógeno, litio, sodio, potasio, rubidio, cesio, francio. They have all of them. They have one single oxidation number, which is 1. So all the first row, first column will be sodium hydrate. If we talk about lithium, lithium hydrate, and so on and so forth. Yeah, hidrógeno, litio, sodio, potasio, potassium hydride, etc. Okay. Next example is beryllium. Okay, which has oxidation number 2 is in the second column. Okay, beryllium, magnesio, calcio, stroncio, bario, radio. So all of that column have as an oxidation number 2. Therefore, all of them are the same. Beryllium and then 2 hydrogens. Okay, we shift oxidation number from the element here in the left, which is 2 in beryllium. Okay, so we write it besides on one side of the hydrogen. How we call it in systematic notation? Beryllium dihydrate. Okay, check this out. Dihydrate. Okay, we avoid prefix mono, D, because there are 2 hydrogens. Okay, good. More examples of this. Well, first of all, finish with the stock nomenclature is the same but without the D. Yes, hydrate. Why we don't use the Roman numbers in when we are talking about beryllium? Beryllium has only have oxidation number 2, so there is no point. Third example, copper has more than one oxidation number, which is in this case, precise case, is just 1 as an oxidation number, the same as in hydrogen. We don't write numbers 1. How we call it? Copper hydrate. Copper hydrate. We avoid prefix mono. Stock nomenclature is here we have an oxidation number of copper in Roman numbers. So we write it. In this case, we write it. Okay, so the scientific person that is reading copper 1 hydride, okay, in this case copper has oxidation number 1 and hydrogen always have 1, so has to be this way, okay, this way. The last example in this slide is gold here, okay. Gold has oxidation number 3, has many others, but in this case 3. So we write it close to the hydrogen, okay? So gold 3 hydrate, 3 because it means that we have 3 hydrogens. In stock, we still have to write it down. Why? Here we go. You have it, because gold has more than 1 oxidation number, and a researcher or the scientist is going to know that the gold here in this case has an oxidation number of 3. Okay. Gold has 3 as oxidation number plus 3. We don't write the oxidation number of hydrogen because it always have -1. But in this case, we write it down, okay, in the besides gold, in one side of gold. After gold, we have to write 3, okay?